Beyond charts, how meditative trading transforms success.
In the heart of Delhi, amidst the bustling streets and vibrant markets, there lived a young trader named Ajay. With dreams of financial independence dancing in his mind, Ajay dove headfirst into the world of stock trading. However, he quickly discovered that analyzing the complex charts and graphs of the stock market left him feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Determined to find a better way, Ajay embarked on a quest for knowledge. He read lot of books, attended seminars, and sought advice from seasoned traders, but nothing seemed to alleviate the pressure of analyzing charts and making split-second decisions. It was during a chance encounter with an old friend that Ajay stumbled upon a revolutionary concept: meditative chartless trading through positional method. His friend, Ujjwal, shared his own experiences of simplifying his trading process by relying on positional method and mindfulness rather than drowning in charts and technical analysis. Intrigued by Ujjwal's approach, Ajay decided to give meditative chartless trading a try. He began by incorporating mindfulness practices into his daily routine, setting aside time each morning for meditation and reflection. As he cleared his mind of clutter, he found that his intuition became sharper and his decision-making process became more deliberate. Armed with this newfound clarity, Ajay ventured into the stock market once again. Instead of fixating on charts and indicators, he focused on staying present in the moment and trusting his powerful levels of positional method. To his surprise, he found that this methodical approach to trading yielded better results than his previous method of overanalyzing every detail. Inspired by his success, Ajay decided to share his journey with the world through a YouTube video titled Beyond Charts: How Meditative Trading Transforms Success. In the video, Ajay sat in his cozy apartment in Delhi, surrounded by incense and soft music, as he shared his experiences with meditative chartless trading in simple and relatable language. Ajay explained how meditative practices had helped him let go of the need for constant analysis and embrace a more easier approach to trading. He shared tips and techniques for incorporating mindfulness into trading routines, encouraging viewers to trust the chartless trading method and find their own rhythm in the stock market. The video also featured interviews with experts in mindfulness and trading psychology, who provided insights into the science behind meditative chartless trading and its transformative effects on trading success. Viewers were introduced to simple meditation techniques they could practice to cultivate a calm and focused mindset, even amidst the chaos of the stock market. As Ajay's video gained popularity, traders from across India resonated with his message of finding balance and clarity through meditative chartless trading. In the comments section, traders shared their own experiences and expressed gratitude for Ajay's guidance. Ajay's journey from a stressed-out trader to a mindful investor became an inspiration for many, proving that the surprising key to effortless trading success lay not in complex charts and graphs, but in finding inner peace and trusting positional trading method. As the sun set over the bustling streets of Delhi, traders embraced the practice of meditative chartless trading as a powerful tool for navigating the unpredictable world of finance with ease and confidence. Thank you for your time. If your story is somewhat similar with Ajay's story, please type yes in the comment box, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more inspirational content.